John. How are you? I am fine. What about you? I am fine too. I have taken decision to visit Bagurhat. Have you ever visited Bagurhat? Oh, excellent decision. Yes, during the last autumn vacation I got an opportunity to visit Bagurhat with my father. Nice. But why did you choose Bagurhat for visiting? Bagurhat is a place of historical interest. Many people from home and abroad come to Bagurhat to visit the Shatgambu Mosque, a World Heritage Site. What important things did you see there? The Shatgambu Mosque, the Mazar of Khan Jahan Ali, the large Gurudwara, etc. Would you please tell me about the mosque? Yes, it is an enormous Mughal architecture. Khan Jahan Ali built it in 15th century. Could you please let me know the uniqueness of the mosque? The mosque is unique because it has 60 pillars supported by 77 exquisitely curved domes. Khan Jahan Ali used it both as a mosque and as a court. Excellent. How much did you enjoy your visit? It is a wonderful experience. The memory of my visit still haunts me. Thank you very much for your nice description. You are most welcome. Have a nice visit.